Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to add a contact form in Elementor. First, navigate to your desired page in Elementor and locate the form widget in the editor panel. Simply drag and drop this widget onto your canvas. By default, it includes essential fields such as name, email, and message. You can easily add or remove fields and mark specific ones as required to ensure you gather all necessary information from your visitors. Next, personalize your form fields by adjusting their labels, adding helpful placeholder text, and setting default values. After defining your fields, configure the Actions After Submit section. Here, you can choose what happens when a user submits the form. Options include sending an email notification, redirecting to a thank you page, or integrating with marketing services like MailChimp. Ensure your email settings are correctly configured to receive submissions. Now, let's make your form visually appealing. Head to the Style tab within the Form widget settings. Here, you have extensive control over typography, colors, and button styles. You can adjust field sizes, border radius, and background colors. Fine-tune the spacing and padding to create a clean, professional layout. Remember to check your form's responsiveness to ensure it looks great on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Finally, enhance your form with advanced settings. To combat spam, integrate Google reCAPTCHA by adding your site and secret keys in Elementor's integration settings. You can also customize success and error messages that users see after submission. Before making your page live, always perform a thorough test by submitting the form yourself. This ensures all actions, like email notifications, are functioning perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.